Okay, YouTube. This is the simple video on how to override the shutdown for the idle on a Volvo. Truck is off. Turn your truck on. And you're going to wait for the engine light to go out. So we'll wait for that to go out. Okay. Now I've got both parking brakes engaged, my tractor and my trailer. We're going to come over here to the cruise control stick. Okay, here's the cruise control. I'm trying to get in here and get an idea what it says. It says resume on and off, and then set at the end. All you're going to do is push it all the way out till it won't go any further, and it'll just kind of spring back in place to the on position. Now the truck will idle without shutting off, and that is how you override the idle shutdown on a Volvo tractor.